Hello besties, I'm back, and it's not the usual tutorial for now. It's just some random vlogs that I took over the past few days. I haven't been uploading here and also not making that much art the past months because I had this little hand injury. I had to rest for like about a month, and then after that I had to catch up with work. So it's just now that I'm actually caught up and I'm slowly getting back to my regular schedule. Okay, this one is a little bit weird. I don't know why I started showing you guys this, but this is what I use to scan my paper overlays, which is available on Patreon, by the way. And this one is what I usually use for my prints in my shop. This is a cute beanie baby from Nikki and Nira. Shout out, they gave me like a little package. I think that was a year ago or 2 years ago. I can't remember. But they also gave me the zines. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorite things on my shelf. So shout out to Nikki and Nira. Thank you guys. They've been a member of my Patreon for so long. So thank you guys for your support. And this one here is my favorite shot ever. It's so cute. So cool. Okay, now we're going to the weird part where I show you guys all the weird stuff in my room. These are all the tiny objects I have, the little things. I really am obsessed with anything little. And I don't know where it started. I think it started with these little hands that I used to paint. If you guys have been following me since my early days, I used to put a lot of little hands on my paintings. And I think I showed it to everyone that they just assumed that I like everything little. So since then, they've just been giving me little things that it's enough to have a little collection like this. And I'm not complaining though, it's very cute. I love it. Like, look at this. I have this little wooden chair, little Funko Pops, a little bathtub, and I even have a toilet. Oh, a little cart, little houses, little mailbox. What's that? Like a little water pump. And I also have a little light back there. It's useless though. I wish it has a light inside too, but it's just for decor. Oh, there's my little toilet with my little Smiskies. Very cute. Very demure. I love them. I love Smiskies so much. So this is my blind box shelf after I organized it. Again, quote unquote organize. I don't think I can clean it in an aesthetically pleasing way because it's too much of random stuff. It's just like my paintings, very random and messy, and I actually like it that way. This one that's coming is also a little weird. Do you guys have house bags? You know, just like house clothes, I also have house bags because I carry a lot of things and I usually work in like living room, dining room, so I have to carry them all at once. So I have to have my house bags. And this one I have, the first one is a little Molly bag. This one is a little duck bag, I think. I have the cup ramen. This one is one of my favorites. It's a crybaby bag that I got for my birthday. A very genuine Labubu. That's very genuine. And this one is my favorite keychain. It's a Labubu. Oh no, it's like a crybaby keychain, which I got for free because they sent me a wrong one. I think I ordered a blind box, but they sent me that instead, and they were like, just keep it. So that's really special to me because apparently it's like $50 and I'm not gonna spend that much on a keychain, so lucky. Okay, again, it doesn't look that organized, but trust me, it is for now. And I really like the organized chaos vibe. So Bamboo Labs gifted me my first ever 3D printer. It's a P2S combo, I think. And as you guys know, I have been making my clay figures since, I don't know, probably like 5 years now. And it's one of my favorite art mediums ever. Just the feeling of like creating something physical is very, very rewarding for me. So having a 3D printer now is super exciting for me, and I cannot wait to make more and learn more. And so far it's really been very smooth. I've had some printing errors here and there, but I think it's more of like a skill issue because I'm not very familiar with like the settings and how to do these models yet at like mid-beginner skill level, I think. So for me, it's still pretty surprising that I was able to do these kind of figures right away. So I'm very excited what I could do if I spend more time researching and learning about it. This one here is my 4th print, which is a big success. As you can see, it's so cute. I used Nomad Sculpt to do the modeling, and I think if you just have even just a little bit of experience using that app, you can easily do a 3D print like this. It's really shocking for me because all I know is to make basic shapes there, and I'm able to do this. I also bought a little bit of materials for like sanding and for the dust, and I think I'm gonna do a separate video of the 3D printing experience, but let me know if you guys are interested. This one is my recent and my biggest print. I'm very proud of this one. It's a little bit more complicated than the other two because I used magnets. It's hollow inside of the head so that when I take it off, there's like a little surprise alien inside there. So I'm really excited to make more of these complicated toys. So I think that's everything here that I have to say. I'm running out of stamina. I'm running out of HP. Hashtag gamer girl lingo. But seriously, thank you guys for taking your time watching this, even though it's not the normal one. And yeah, see you guys on the next video, and let me know if you guys want more of these. Bye, love you, mama.